Medical device manufacturers need airtight design controls to bring their products to market. Qualio's design controls functionality gives you everything you need to centralize and accelerate your design control activity for hardware and software devices. Build a complete step-by-step picture of design elements by product, including open issues and user requirements, risks, test cases, and associated documents. Enjoy end-to-end traceability of your device's design lifecycle in a connected web, from inputs to verification and validation. Add and explore design elements. Initiate change controls with designated approvers. And log and treat risks. Qualio breaks down the traditional barriers between your product and quality teams with a suite of API integrations that pull design elements straight from your testing source systems into a real-time, audit-ready repository of release information. No more manual collating of design data from multiple sources. Qualio gives you an integrated digital structure for optimizing your medical device's design, with a fully time-stamped data library and exportable documents that prove your device's quality and integrity. Our medical device customers use our software to meet the requirements of FDA 21 CFR 820, ISO 13485, ISO 14971, the MDR, the IVDR, and more. Bring your medical device to market with speed, confidence, and control. Visit qualio.com/demo to get started.